Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I am super happy that you're here. So today we are going to do a mani using KMG Design Dips, not designer. And I am using this beautiful color called Blast of Purple. It's a very like shimmery white, but it's a blast of a bunch of colors. And you'll see in the video at the end how like beautiful sparkly this color is. So I am going to go through and I'm going to do one dip on every single finger, and I'm going to lay in, and then I clear cap. I believe I do twice, but I don't show it on camera. So just to save time, I just show the one dip and then maybe the one clear cap. I can't remember, but we'll find out when we get there. And then we're going to do some fun French tip stamping. Since I can't use gel, it's the easiest way for me to do French tips. And clearly I forgot to put my notifications on silent, so I just went and did that really quick. And now we can have hopefully no background noise except maybe a rooster crowing in the background. Because I am on a farm and there's two of them and they tend to crow a lot. So, and there might be some traffic because I am sitting outside. It's a beautiful sunny day. So I was like, I'm going to sit outside and do my voiceover today. And yeah, so as you guys know by now, I am an ambassador for KMG Design Dips. It is by far one of my favorite companies. Her dips are amazing. She's just so creative. She is one of those owners that her juices are flowing 24/7, and she's always coming out with new dips, and I love that. I love that she thinks of something, she creates it, she releases it. And yeah, this company is really amazing. If you haven't tried it, I highly suggest you do. You can save using my discount code Jill15. All my discount codes are in my description box. And I don't get anything off that. That's just for you guys. So I don't make any money, just to be fully transparent. I get dips to show you guys, and then I also buy a ton of my own because I love her dips so much. I purchase a lot. So I'm going to let you guys watch. I'm going to stop yapping. I'm going to flash my code across the screen just so you guys can write it down if you would like, and I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience, one day at a time.
So we clear capped, we activated, we filed and buffed off camera, and now we're going to get into the stamping. So depending on what I'm doing, sometimes I will use Maniology Sticky Base Coat. Sometimes I will use nothing, which you'll see in one of my upcoming videos, because I do chrome and I don't want anything sticky. I only want it to stick to the stamp, but that will be in another video. Today I am using Crazy Girl Dips. I love this stuff. You put it on, you let it dry, it goes clear when it dries, and then it stays sticky throughout this entire process. And even though it doesn't look like it takes me a long time, it did take me quite a bit to do all these stamps because I'm French tipping every single nail. So I highly recommend this stuff. You can use it for chroming, you can use it for peel base, you can use it for transfer foils. It's very multifunctional and it's amazing. I actually just bought a backup jar for when this, or bottle, for when this one runs out. I do love it. It will obviously be linked. And I'm not affiliated with the company in any way. I just love this product. So we are going to go in, we're going to do our pinky first. We're doing this really pretty light purple color, and we're going to do it across all the nails. And then I will do like a half moon, kind of like I did on the press-ons on my last video for my daughter. We're going to do that on the ring finger, and then some little flowers in the center of that. I kind of wish I would have gone with white instead of the dark, like deep violet purple that I did go with. But, you know, sometimes once I do something and I'm so tired by the end of doing my nails, I'm like, okay, I'm not redoing it. It looks fine. It's just maybe not quite the look I was going for, but it ended up being fine. So once I am done doing this, and I do leave, I believe, all of it in, I will go through, I will use Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, which I highly recommend before you go in and either top coat or clear cap your nails, which I go in and clear cap after I'm done. So that's what we're going to do, and I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake,
I completely forgot to mention that I do go back in after I'm done with all the stamps, and I do another layer on all of the stamps just because they come through really light on the from the stamp itself. So I kind of wanted them to be a little brighter, a little more vibrant. So I go through and I will go through and add another layer, basically just tracing the stamp as best I can. And then I have my little acetone cleanup thing right there, you can see. And then I have a little jar off to the left, you can kind of see it, that has acetone in it, and I will do any cleanup that needs to be done, and then we will do the smudge free. Actually, then we will set a timer for 5 minutes, let maybe I don't remember if I do that. I think I just made sure that all the stamps kind of looked more matte so they weren't wet anymore, and then I go in with the smudge free top coat. So I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know what I was doing so you weren't like, oh, what's happening? Okay, I'll be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up.
So we waited 5 minutes after we put the smudge-free top coat on. We clear capped. I only showed my pinky just to save repetition and time. And then I just do a very, very light buff on all the nails just to kind of smooth them out. And now we are going to get into the top coat. So I activated, I set a timer for 2 minutes, and now I'm wiping off with a lint-free wipe and some swipe solution. And then we will do our dip top coat. This is Three Broke Girls or Amberly's Nail Corner. And as of the other day, they did have pre-orders going on, so I think that she has this available right now. She only stocks, I think, a minimal amount, and I'm hoping that, and I don't know what the reason behind that is. I'm not associated with this company. I just love this dip top coat, and the dip base is amazing for my base nails. So it is not an odorless, and there is an odor. I can definitely smell an odor, but for whatever reason, it does not give me dip flu, even though every other liquid I've ever tried that's an odorless, or that's not an odorless, gives me dip flu. So I will hopefully be able to link it this time. Usually I cannot because it's not available, but hopefully this time it is, because she was having pre-orders as of 2 days ago, and I did buy another batch because I do not want to run out of this ever. I'm hoping that comes a point where she is stocking it fully, and it's always available, but until we get there, it is what it is. So this is my second layer. Obviously I'm going a little bit slower. The first layer I kind of, three quick coats, and then I do wipe off on a paper towel between every layer just so I don't contaminate the brush. And now we are going to do our cuticle salve and our cuticle oil. And I have a plethora of options here. So basically whenever KMG sends me my ambassador packages, she also includes a few of her cuticle oils, and they're amazing. I have not gotten one where I did not like the scent. The formula is absolutely fabulous. I carry these in my purse. I have some in my car. I have a bunch in my, right by my bed. I have some right by my couch. Like they're literally everywhere, and they're all amazing. So these are all the scents I have. Unfortunately, I'm going a little too quick to really pay attention to what the scents are, but I did end up using, I believe this is called I think it's I Love You. And it smells really, really, really good. I don't know how really to explain it, but it's just because I'm not good at that, but it's such a good scent, and you can just see it going on. It's just lovely. Anyway, all of that aside, I highly recommend her cuticle oils. I recommend all her products that I've used. They're all great. Her Clear as Day is amazing. I'm done yapping. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting me. If you've already subscribed, you mean the world to me. Please, 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 just if you like this video, give it a like. It helps me a lot. And if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you be part of this journey of mine and hit that notification bell. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.